Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Realtek audio driver failure error code 0001, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is to update the drivers. So for that, we'll right click on the start button, go to device manager, and then we will look for the audio inputs and outputs, and then we will right click on it, click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. We'll do the same for all the devices in audio inputs and outputs. So right click on it, update driver, search automatically for drivers and for the next one, and so forth and so on. Now once that is done, we will also look for the sound, video and game controllers, and then we will right click on the first one, update driver, search automatic for drivers, and we will do it for so forth and so on. Even Realtek audio, this is very important, update driver, search automatically for drivers, and we will do it for all the devices that are in sound, video and game controllers. Now once that is done, we will also do a Windows update. So right click on the start button, go to settings and then click on Windows update. All right, and then you click on update, and if it's updated, then you click on install all. And while you're doing that, also go to advanced options, optional updates, and then in update and install any driver updates that are here. Now the next thing we need to do is, if this doesn't work, now these two options, these two solutions that I gave you should work, but in the rare chance that it doesn't work, then we need to physically download the Realtek audio drivers and install it. So I will go for and look for Realtek audio drivers. All right, and we will look for, remember this, PC codecs. So whenever you see this link and you see PC codecs here, then click on it. All right, and then we need to know which is the version that we need to download. So this is for the 32-bit version. So this is Windows 10 driver. Windows 10 is good for Windows 11 also. So we'll go for the 32 or the 64-bit driver and we'll download it, right? And if you need to know whether you run a 64-bit or a 32-bit version, then you can simply go to system information, click on system information, look at system type. So I have a x64 base PC. Now if your system type is an x86 base PC, then you need to download the 32-bit version. So I will download the 64-bit version. I agree to the terms and I will download this file. Enter the captcha. And it will download. Once this file downloads, then open it and then right click, run as administrator and install it, and then restart your system by clicking the start button, clicking the power button and then clicking on restart. And once this is done, your error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.